It's October 2025 and we have just 60 days left before we hit 2026. And let's get real for a second. Most of us are still in the exact same place we were at the start of this year. Maybe even the same place we were last year. Nothing has changed. But here's the thing. If you just commit to the 9 things I am about to share and stick with them for at least 60 days, you can walk into 2026 as a completely different person. Not someone who just hopes for change, but someone who creates it. So comment down below I am in if you are ready, and before we start, go download a free 60-day PDF guide from the description below. It will help you lock in and make these last 2 months your strongest comeback ever. So let's go. Now, let's be honest. You probably started 2025 with a list of goals. You promised yourself you would get fit, start that business, read more, wake up early, meditate daily, isn't it? So here we are, 2 months away from 2026, and you are still scrolling, still dreaming, still watching how to change your life videos instead of actually doing it. But that's not because you're lazy. It's because you're overstimulated and underacting. You know exactly what to do, but you just haven't acted on it yet. So the first thing, after this video, just stop consuming it and start executing. You already know what needs to be done. So if you can't act in next 60 days, what makes you think you will magically act in the next 12 months? So stop telling yourself, I will start on January 1st. That's just another excuse to delay action. From now till 2026, treat these 60 days like a sprint. Ask yourself what I can realistically transform before this year ends. Just pick one goal, not 3, not 5, just one. Maybe it's fitness, building a side hustle, or fixing your sleep. Just start now. My personal 60-day goal, for example, is to reach my dream body before New Year. And let me remind you, 60 days is a lot of time. It's 8 full weeks, 60 workouts, 60 mornings to wake up early, 60 chances to move forward. And real change doesn't take years. It takes only consistency. Your brain can literally rewire itself in 60 to 90 days of effort. That's how fast habits form. So here's I want you to do. Take that one goal and make a 60-day roadmap. Break it down week by week. What will progress look like after 2 weeks, 4 weeks, and 8 weeks? That plan turns your intention into momentum. Next, prepare for when motivation dips. That's why you need your rock, your reason why to do. Your rock is an emotional anchor that keeps you going when things get tough. Maybe it's your health, your family, or your financial independence. But whatever it is, write this sentence. I am committing to this 60-day sprint because, and write your reason. And finish it honestly, not ideally. Keep that in mind, that is your fuel. Now here's a tough truth. You can't actually achieve transformation if your life is cluttered with distractions. You need to audit your life too. Just make 2 lists. The first one is everything that doesn't serve your 60-day goal. And second is everything that moves you closer to it. Then commit to living off list number 2 to the next 60 days. Track your progress daily. Throw a notebook or a tracker app or sticky notes. And remember this, being busy is not same as moving forward. Next, focus on aligned action. Stop chasing random motivation bursts. Pick one daily action that gets you closer to your goal if repeated for 60 days straight. If your goal is health, show up to work out 4 times a week and eat clean. If your goal is financial, just work 1 focused hour a day building on your skill or side hustle. Your life changes when your daily actions start matching your intentions. Now let's talk about distractions, especially your phone. If social media eats up 6 hours of your day, replace those hours with the things that align with your 60-day goal. You can just simply make this rule. For every hour spent on your phone, I will spend an equal or greater amount of time on my goal. By the end of these 60 days, your screen time will drop and those reclaimed hours will become your foundation of your comeback. But distractions don't only come from your phone, they come from people too. Some will mock you, question you, or try to pull you back. That's because your growth reminds them they are still standing. So for these 60 days, protect your energy. You don't need to owe any expectations. Cut off anything or anyone that slows your progress. Now, let's talk about the discomfort. you're definitely going to feel boredom, soreness, or resistance. But that's not failure, that's growth. But when your motivation crashes, you need a safety net, a bare minimum action. Something so small you can do it even in your worst day, like 10 push-ups, 100 words, or these kind of small sprints. Because the days you do the bare minimum are the days that protect your momentum too. And finally, prioritize the rest. And most people think that rest is such a waste of time. Rest isn't waste of time, it's where the transformation locks in. Your body builds muscle when it rests. Your brain builds habits when it sleeps. So protect your recovery, fix your bedtime and 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Remember that recovery isn't luxury, it's a fuel. Now, if you combine clarity, consistency, action, rest, you will become unstoppable. That's how you go from hoping for a change to living it every single day. So here's a recap of your 9 steps for the next 60 days. First is stop consuming, start acting. Second is pick one goal. Third is make a 60-day roadmap. Fourth, find your rock and your why. Fifth, audit your life. Sixth one is focus on aligning daily action. Seventh is replace screen time with growth time. Eighth one, protect your energy and cut distraction. And the ninth one is rest, because rest is progress. If you're ready for your 60-day sprint to 2026, comment down I am in below and grab your free PDF to start planning your comeback today. Let's make these 2 months count and walk in 2026 as the strongest version of yourself.